In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Hostinger email password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to confirm everything is saved correctly, all within Hostinger's hPanel. Start by opening your web browser and heading to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're on the Hostinger dashboard, look toward the top right corner for the account menu. This is usually represented by your profile icon or avatar. Click it to open the drop-down menu. From that drop-down, choose Account Information. This takes you to your profile area where all your personal settings live. On the Account Information page, find the Password section. It appears as a card or panel dedicated to security settings. Click the password card to open it. You'll now see fields where you can change your password. In the first field, enter your current password. This confirms that it's really you making the change. In the next field, type your new password and then repeat it in the confirmation field if prompted. Before you proceed, take a moment to choose a strong, memorable password. Aim for at least 12 characters and mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easy-to-guess details like birthdays or common words. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and store a complex password safely. After you've entered your current and new passwords, click the Save or Update button to apply the change. Wait a moment for the confirmation message. You should see a success notice indicating that the password was updated. If you see an error, double-check that your current password is correct, confirm that Caps Lock isn't on, and make sure your new password meets Hostinger's complexity requirements. Once the update is confirmed, remember that this new password is what you'll use going forward. If you access your Hostinger email or related services on other devices or mail apps, be ready to update the saved password there as well so your connections don't fail. If something doesn't sync right away, give it a moment. Then try signing out and back in with your new credentials. That's all it takes. Quick recap. Open hPanel, use the account menu to reach account information, open the password card, enter your current password, set a strong new one, and save. With these steps, you'll keep your account secure and your email access uninterrupted. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to revisit any part of the walkthrough as you make your change.